Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give 6 integer numbers, and then our program will calculate the average of the given numbers using C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, visitors, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for free in my two websites. Okay, so basically I'm using code blocks in Linux Mint. It is free to download from the internet. So sharp includes tdio.h for input output, sharp define items. So we have here 6 items, so 6 numbers, the maximum numbers that our program will accepted. Int main, it is the starting point of every C program. We have here line number 6 curly bracket x integer, we initialize to 0, and then we have several values here: average, a items, array, sum, which has a value of 0, and then we have here the title, calculating average in C using for loop statement. Here we are accepting the input value from the user, 6 values plus 1, because the initial value of x is 0, so we don't want to start with 0 but plus 1, so that when we run our program it will enter item number 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then here sum equals 0, and then we get the total sum or summation of the sum of the values here using for loop statement, and then the average sum divided by number of items, which is 6, and then we have here total sum, and then the average is, and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended, new line, and then we close the body of our main function with the right curly bracket. Don't worry guys, because I will give you the link in the video description. Kindly check so that you can download the complete source code of our program. Okay, let us build and run. Okay, it is running, calculating average in C, enter item number 1 values. Let's say we want to check 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90. So 6 90s is 540, the average is 19, correct. End of program. How about we have different values? Just run. 89, 78, 86, 90, 91, and 783. So the total sum is 517, the average is 86, end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on calculating average in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.